We have some salt roasted beets. Took about 3 hours. We peeled them, chunked them up. We put them in the Roboku. We're going to put salt, some pepper, a little lemon juice, some olive oil, some fresh mint, some fresh dill. Okay. Now we're going to process this till it's smooth. Yep. Okay, guys. So that was on super high. You can see the color. Smooth process. Super high. It was about one minute, and that was definitely agitating it hard for 1 minute strong. Okay.